Alright everybody, welcome back to the Armored Pig. We're going to be catching up on some of the Critical Dice XL Endless Bag of Dice. Today we're going to be going over June 2022's bag, and let's get started. So, we started off with Amethyst Dragon Dice and the Lavender Mist Dice and a Boop the Snoot sticker. I really like this sticker. It's pretty cute. It's pretty awesome. Alright, there it is. I booped the snoot and I liked it. That's going to go into the sticker collection. Guarantee it. First, we're going to start off with the Amethyst Dice. Very regal looking. Purple, gold, my high school colors. I love them. Easy to read. Very easy to read. Great craftsmanship on these ones. Let's listen to them. Sound like dice, but I got a new board, so we got new clicky clack noises. Why don't we try to give it another roll? I dropped one, and there it is. And for good measure, one more roll to hear. Yep, they're dice. But I mean, you can read them from right there. So now we're going to move on to the second set of dice, and they are pretty slick looking. They kind of look like a mixture of springtime and champagne with some bubbles in the middle that are supposed to be there. The only issue is I have a hard time reading these ones, even up close like this, but they are beautiful nonetheless. So, I mean, it's just cool. Let's give them a listen. What do you say? Not too bad. No criticals. That's okay. And like I said, you can tell from these angles, it's kind of hard to read the white on the lighter parts. The purple's okay, but not the other side. Let's give another listen to them. Hey, I'll take a critical 10 or critical 100 percentile. And yeah, here they are compared together. This is June 2022 XL Endless Bag of Dice by Critical Dice. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. I just love their products. And the subscription cost is cheap. It's like 15 bucks plus tax and a little bit of shipping. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked. Please like, subscribe, and there's some of my new social media stuff. Oh yeah, this will be my first video on TikTok. So find me there. Thanks, and later.